Today I'm going to be reviewing VoIP hand cart. Look at this thing. This is what it looks like. About 5 pounds. I want to thank VoIP for sending this to me to review. I'm really impressed. First of all, comes with bungee cords. Something that doesn't normally happen with hand trucks. Just a little thing. They're not expensive, but to throw it in there for something you're going to need, very nice. I heard people saying there's no place to put them. I don't even care. I'm just glad they have them. This is the footprint of it. My hand, not very big. 500 pounds. It's got 4 wheels that spin, the casters that spin, and the 2 front ones are stable. Now you can just put your stuff on here and stack it and roll it like this if you want. This little cart has some built-in features that I think are really cool. First of all, here's the handle. If you want to use a handle, this is what it looks like. You lock it in place by pushing this down and extend this very far like this. So it looks like that. All right. So that's 1. 2, look at this. This comes out and now you make it even longer. So you can put all your stuff on there. I mean, they thought of everything. There you go. So however you want it, but I mean, the fact that it extends if you need it, if it doesn't, it stores really nicely. You just have to lift it up here if I can. It's harder when I'm streaming. And it clicks into place just like that. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.